Welcome back to the Unskilled Mechanic. Today, I'm out here with the 71 RT, trying to cold start it after about probably 4 months. See if it starts. Alright, so here it is, the 440. The car's been sitting about 4 months, so it's been a while. I'm curious to see how it will start. It's about 9 degrees out right now, Fahrenheit, so it's a chilly one. This car is also kind of a bear to start. It definitely needs a carburetor rebuild, so it's very sensitive. So let's see if it will start for us. We got to hook up the battery. And I am going to check the oil since it has been quite a while. So we'll see what our oil level looks like. Let's do that right now. Okay, so the oil's full. That's definitely a plus. I forgot to mention that we do run 2050 in all of our older cars. It's the Valvoline High Zinc. Apparently it's better for these older engines. But when it's 9 degrees outside, that heavyweight oil might give us some issues. So we'll see. See if it wants to turn over for us. Okay, so here we are in the cabin of the Charger. Still looks the same if you saw our last video on this car, comparing it to a Hellcat Charger. If you'd like to see a more in-depth review of this car, we'd like to do that in the spring possibly, so let us know in the comments. Alright, let's give it a shot. I'm curious myself. This car is very finicky, so we'll give it 2 pumps. All right, let's see. Oh boy. That's a very slow crank. I think our battery's a little weak too. Let's see. Oh, it's that slow. Do I dare pump it 2 more times? All right, that's 2 more. Let's see. Oh boy, let's see. Oops, I let off too soon. All right, 1 more crank, let's see. Oh, started. And it died. Not on the gas right now. Oh, it's got a little lifter tick to it too. All right, here we go. Hopefully it'll build some oil pressure too. That oil's very heavy. It's a little chilly out. I'm just a little angry. Okay, it's now the next day. I got caught up with something last night, so I'm out here today. See if we can get it running finally. Let's go for it. Okay, nothing so far. Okay, so as you can hear, I finally got the Charger to run. That took forever. It was really loaded up. It did not want to start, so I had to use a little persuasion, but we got there finally. So I'd say a carb rebuild and maybe some plugs in the spring. Pretty much a tune-up. But as you can hear, it's running excellent. Nice and smooth. Got that nice big block chug. Love this car. Let's get you a nice exhaust note. Now this car has probably one of my favorite exhaust notes out of all the big blocks we have. So I'll let you take a listen. Yeah, 440. Alrighty, I think that's gonna do it for this video. If you like these types of videos, let us know in the comments. We'll keep bringing them to you. I know I do. They're fun. Can't beat a cold start. Also, if you want to see this car more in depth, also let us know down in the comments. We'd love to do a full review on it for you. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. That's it. Nice. We even have a radio. It's a journey.